Hi guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Antalya, just in the old town at the moment. Hello. So yeah, let's take a little walk around. Show you what they've got to offer around here. All the boats. Traditional Turkish ice creams. Yeah, got all the boats in. Must be going out in the afternoon, or not at all. Check them stairs out. Probably have to go up there in a minute. Hey, look at that. You had the whole ice cream out. Hello. $450 for a sea bream. What's that, £8? It's not too bad. So yeah, there's the lift up there to take you all out to the top. Looks like you've got a cat house up there. Nice big cat house. Yeah. Check out the marina. Really nice. Really good boat as well. Look at that, white lights. And Kurt. Getting ready to take everyone out. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place, this is. It's really hot at the moment though. It's about, I'd say it's about 28, 29 degrees in the sun. It's really hot. Let's go up here. Make sure you're subscribed. Everyone doing their snorkeling. There's no point me walking all the way down there. Yeah, check out them mountains. We're staying like all the way over there somewhere. Right, let's hike up these steps. I have nothing. Doesn't even sound like he's playing a tune. Need to like tune up his guitar. God damn, it's hot. I'll tell you that much. It is a hot day. There's no sun. It is roasting hot. Right, so you get your corn, your ice creams. This guy doing the fish here, look at this. Very nice.
Hello. Fish bread.
Okay. Whew, I'm out of breath. Let's keep going. Guess I've got more steps to climb up. Oh, your melon's coconut water. Very pretty around here, keeping the gardens nice.
Entendu? Le petit jus là à 150, le grand il est à 170.
That's a big thank you to you all as well, because you got us to 5,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. We smashed them last, whatever we needed. When we was over in Marmaris, we got the subscribers we needed, so thank you all for subscribing. Nan Bistro. Which way should we go? Let's go this way. So you got the Pudding Hotel, eh? 1875. Very fancy. Your Turkish delights, make sure you get fresh. If you're into white Jesus, there you go. It's crazy they let people drive around here. It's a bit tight. There's a lot of tourists. I guess you gotta get deliveries in, ain't ya? That's the way I came down, wasn't it? go up this way. So, alright guys, let's finish this one here. Thanks for watching, and until next one.